Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Do Not Disturb and modes on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up settings. Now in these settings, you want to go to the main page. And in the main page, what are we going to do is we're going to go and scroll down to modes. Now here in the modes, as you guys can see, we have 4 examples. So first one is our Do Not Disturb. We can click on it and turn it on. Of course, we can change the filters, like some people can interrupt our notifications, and also apps that will have an option to interrupt us with notifications. Here we also have alarms and our interruptions, and the display settings like keep the screen dark, dim the wallpaper, grayscale to change the screen to black and white. As you guys can see, it is basically the same because I'm using those colors, but it is definitely black and white here. Here we can enable dark theme and etc, so we can change it, of course, duration for quick settings, and we can turn it off by tapping here. Here we have our bedtime, driving, transport, and we can create our own mode, so we can do the custom mode. Now let's choose an icon, click down, and we can turn it on. Some people can interrupt and etc. Is basically copying from the Do Not Disturb. So here you can add some people that can interrupt and etc. Also, you can add a schedule when you want to turn it on. So for example, day and time, so from 9:30 to 9:30 a.m. to 17, which is 5 p.m. I'll turn it off, and as you guys can see, let me quickly turn it back on. We got an icon, so we know that it works. And that's basically all of the modes. That's how you guys can set up your Do Not Disturb in modes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.